Alright, so when we assemble the top, it's a little less intricate. However, there's a lot more stuff that can get in your way. What we're going to need are these flanged bearings, and what you do is we're going to have two of these placed next to each other, and they're going to form a channel for our belts. You're going to need 3 belts. We're going to attach the belts at this step because, well, we have to. You're going to need some shoulder bolts, and this is going to need to be long enough so that it protrudes into this other section down here, but not so long that it goes into the solid area. Okay, so I'm going to put one of these together for you and show you how it works. What you're going to need to do is pull out your belt, grab your bolt, place it partially in, and I like to press it in. It just makes it easier if it will press in. If not, just go ahead and run it in. And what we're going to do is we're going to screw this in far enough that we have enough room to place the bearings and the belt on, and then we're going to place our lock nut on. So we want to leave just enough room to place the nut into the end, and enough room for the bearings to slide on. So what we'll do is we'll slide one bearing on. We're going to take our belt and we're going to pull it all the way through so that it's out of our way, and pull it up underneath and just sort of pull it tight so that it stays out of our way. Put our other bearing on. And as you can see, we have screwed it in just enough so that if we continue for a small amount, we can see threads. Now this last part's kind of the biggest pain in the butt. You're going to want to sort of hold it in place as you screw it in. And as you do so, it's going to press against the edge, and eventually it will go ahead and start itself. If you're lucky. If you're not, it'll just go ahead and push it out. So you need to be careful and make sure that it actually has started, or you're going to bend your plastic piece. So, in order to make sure that it's spinning on, you just need to make sure that it's not spinning. So there you go. Grab your nut, screw that down tight, and that's going to complete your first piece. Do the other two as before, and then we're going to place our channel together as before. And I'll check up with you a little bit farther on.